Hi, this is Saravanan from Lotus Advisory Services. Today we are going to the technical levels for all the commodities. To start with the international gold levels. Gold for the last 3 days we can see that prices is trading around $1,190 to $1,210 with the maximum of the resistance $1,210. We can see prices is not settling either below the strong level of 1200 on a downside or other upside. So we have to wait for any confirmations. You see on weekly basis also the 1200 level looks as a very strong level for the next deciding trend. As per intraday levels, we can see a positive note in dollar terms above 1200 again to test 1210 levels. More positive can be seen about 1210 to target 1230 to 1250 dollars also. But on the same time, if it breaks below 1190, we can see again a sharp decline, this time to 1150 to even 1100 levels also. If you see on MCX, the prices is widely trading highly range bound between the 26,400 to maximum of 26,550 levels. We have seen this kind of range bound moves for the past 3 to 4 days, and it is due to there is no big news coming from US, so we have to wait for the next moves. Overall, the gold is trading highly range bound both in dollar as well as in MCX terms. But silver, if you see, the prices is trading range bound but closing in a higher note. Overall, though the prices is trading between for the last few days 16 to $16.5, we can see from yesterday's evening till now the prices is trading about that 16.5. At another, we can see some strong resistance at 16.6 levels. So a break above 16.6. We can see some sharp upsides at 17.1 to $17.4 levels. Fails in which again we can see the prices could be trading in the range for half a dollar levels. If you see on silver MCX also, prices is just slightly mounting up from $36 and currently facing its resistance at 36,500 to 36,600 levels. So a sharp upside can be seen above 36,600, even to test 37,000 to 37,500 on the upper side. Otherwise, it could trade on the same range like we see dollar, it is could trade around 36 to 36,500 levels. So traders have to be watch these crucial levels to be break and trade for the next moves. Copper, it is trading as we said in the earlier news also. The prices is trading at 409 to 418 with a huge band. On an intraday basis, in the morning session, in the evening session, it is trading highly mixed, testing the resistance and testing the supports at the same levels. On daily basis, we are finding it nearly to 8 to 10 rupees moves in a single day. So this kind of moves we can expect further, but at the same time for intraday we can see prices it's currently trading around 411.50. A break and hold below 410, we can see again prices testing 407 and more sharp decline below 407 can be seen. So traders it's advisable for intraday to be on the sell side with a stop loss above 414 or 415 on a closing basis. Nickel is trading mild positive, so we can expect prices to trade positive about 1020. So from yesterday we can from 3 to 4 days we find it's trading around 10 to 20 rupees from 1000 to 1020 levels. So we can expect prices to trade again 1030 to 1040, even up to 1050 levels also to trade. So nickel is mild positive. Lead for the first time day before yesterday, as we said that the earlier range bound moves between that 124 to 126.50 levels. The prices broken that 126.60. So as we advised earlier, the prices went up to 128, and yesterday also it is trading in a positive note. So we can expect prices to trade positive above 127 again to test to 128 to 129 levels. Zinc also, after it broken its strong levels of 141, it went up sharply up to 143 and just holding above that. So we can expect prices to trade positive on a hold above 141 again to test the resistance levels of 143 to 145 levels. If you see on a lead and zinc on an intraday basis, again if you break below support, could trade in a range bound moves. Aluminium holds positive. The trend continues from 125 to 128, but still it is facing huge resistance levels at 128 to 128.50 levels. A break and hold above 128.50, we can see some more sharp upside. If you see correctly, a break and hold above 129, we can see a sharp upside for another 3 to 4 rupees. Crude after a sharp decline, last week it just closed in a positive note. Maybe it may be a profit booking as we have seen a very sharp decline from 5,800 to 4,600 levels. But even this week also we can find it taking resistance at 4800, and on intraday basis is trading mild weak below 4720 levels. Currently the prices is trading around 4720. We can expect a sharp decline below 4700 again to test 4600 to 4500 levels on a weekly and weekly basis. Currently resistance is seen around 4750 to 60. So we expect we can advise traders to sell on a break below 4700 with a stop loss above 473530 to 40 levels to test its supports at 4650 4600. Gas it is trading weak. December contract day before yesterday it has tested a high which went 6%, nearly 6% freeze, and same day it has crashed to 275 levels, and yesterday we can see another crash of nearly 6% to 5 to 6% downside from open from 275, testing its testing the low of around 261. We can expect traders to be on the sell side with a stop loss about 270, and we expect the target again to test 261 and to test 255 levels. Overall natural gas also trading weak. And if you see from yesterday evening market on whole day it has trading in a range bound moves, no big market moving news was seen. But today we can have very important news like prelim GDP news for quarter comes from US at 7 p.m. and at the same time we have GDP price index also, and another important news, if you see around 8:30 p.m. we have CB consumer confidence news, which could have direct impact on all the commodities and dollars. So we can expect in the morning session up to the evening market could trade in a choppy range, and again we can see some good moves in the evening. Start from 7 o'clock this morning, this evening. So that's all from today. So for more updates and calls, you can visit our website akshayashiv.com. Thank you.